Jill from True Blue from a beautiful beach in Grenada. We just spent the last hour and a half collecting garbage, unfortunately, all over the roads. A lot of plastic bottles, cans, the styrofoam containers from lunch. So guys, I just want to reach out to you all. C21 cares. We care about our country, Grenada, Caracas, Martinique. And I really hope to see everybody become a lot more conscious about keeping their garbage. Keep a garbage bag in your car, in the buses. Please, please try not to throw it out onto the streets, okay? Happy Earth Day.
We'd like to encourage you to remember that space is for you to enjoy it, but in order for someone else to enjoy it, you need to clean up after you leave the space. So please be mindful when you come on the beach with your families, have your parties, bring a garbage bag with you, clean up before you leave so that we can enjoy the beautiful beaches that we have here. So at Century 21, we care about the earth, we care about our environment, and we're asking everybody to play a little part. It just takes one person and we will keep Grenada clean.